Let's explore how to verify documents that don't contain table data using the ABBYY FlexiCapture verification station. Open the verification station and select the Verification Operator role. We see a verification task in the queue that is ready to be verified. Let's open it. There are 8 documents in total, some with errors marked with red flags, and others have warnings marked with yellow flags. We will open the first document. There are 2 fields, contract number and contract date, and they were both recognized correctly. The second document is marked with a red error flag. According to the error text, the date format is incorrect and must be changed to DDMMYY. The changes are confirmed and saved by clicking Enter twice, and that moves us to the next document. Here, some characters are highlighted in red, meaning that the recognition confidence is below our confidence threshold, which can be set by a FlexiCapture administrator. Correcting these characters if needed and clicking Enter moves us to the next document. This document also has low confidence characters that happen to be correct, so we'll press Enter and go to the next document, which is marked with a yellow warning flag. As you can see, the order number was not located on this document. We can locate the order number field on the image, then click on it to enter its value into the corresponding data form field. And we will repeat the same steps for the next document. In the 7th document, there are red, low confidence characters. After verifying these characters, we'll click Enter, save the changes, and move to the last document. There are uncertain characters in the letter 2 field, so after confirming their correctness, we'll click Enter to go to the next field. According to the error description, the length of the data in the letter from field is too long. Here we can highlight the letter from region on the image and adjust the boundaries to correct the region size. Now you know how to verify different types of field errors and warnings, as well as low confidence characters, in the FlexiCapture verification station.